I'm so excited to share with you our DIY painted wood blanks. Miriam's is the pink one, mine is the white one with the paint splatter. We're redecorating our vintage booth for the Valentine's Day season, as well as St. Patrick's Day coming up. So stay tuned for more DIYs. God bless you guys. Have fun.
And so my 18-year-old, my Miramu, wanted to do some Valentine's decorations. Or just like some, Valentine decor. So let me move y'all back here. So I'm gonna paint this huge jumbo size heart. And then we're gonna be doing a few other decorations as well. Not decorations, but what do you call it? Some other ideas on a separate video. So stand by, I'm gonna get the paint. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a base coat because I don't wanna use up all my pink and red and white paint. And we have this big old thing of silk paint. And so I had used this to paint some furniture that we put in the booth. And this is called Salt Water. This is all-in-one mineral paint. And so it's a paint and primer in one. And really, it's a really great paint. So you don't have to prime, like especially if you're doing wood furniture or what have you. So we're just gonna do that as the base. And that will preserve, you know, me using, not having to do a bunch of coats, but two, not having to use up all my craft paint. This stuff is phenomenal. It's not inexpensive, but it's really great. Now in hindsight, I realized I should have gotten some heart stickers and I didn't, but I could maybe pick some up today. That would eliminate me also having to paint so much on the decoration. And we're just trying to have stuff in the booth that gives it that whimsy and gives it that feel of touches of Valentine's Day, because I don't want to go overboard and do too much because it's just one day, but wanted to have something leading up to that day. And this paint dries really fast as well. I have it in about 3 or 4 different colors. I think this is the most I've spent on any I would say non-holiday, because Valentine's Day is not a holiday, but I've normally not even participated craft-wise in Valentine's Day. I don't know, this year I just wanted to, the pink and the red was calling my name. It's also self-leveling, so if you just leave it alone to dry, it's gonna dry really quickly. It's gonna have like a beautiful coating on it. I wonder if you could paint like handbags. I've been wanting to do a handbag craft. I haven't yet though. I haven't found the bag I wanted to paint yet. But that's a project that I have coming up. I know I'm constantly posting teasers, but I wanna do some purse charms. I just haven't taken the time to do it yet, but I have some ideas. Because that's a big thing this year. And it was a big thing last year too, so. Planning to get to that. Okay. So now you could use a little bit of water on your paint to smooth this out, but I don't want to warp the wood because this is an expensive wood, so hold on. So, super cutesies. Trying to move my screen up a little bit, hold on. Here you go. There we go. So super cute, so now I'm gonna let this dry. I was gonna do kind of like some ombre paint again, but I want to let that white dry so it's not bleeding into all the colors, so we'll be back, okay?
Just decided to use a paint splatter technique for mine, and what's so funny is I didn't know what Miriam was making, so when she came down with hearts drawn all over hers, I was so excited because that's what I really wanted, but yesterday I didn't have time to go and purchase heart stickers, so this turned out perfectly. Just let your paint spatter dry overnight. It is gonna be phenomenal, and these are gonna be some really beautiful additions to our vintage booth, and just like dress it up for the holiday season. I keep calling Valentine's Day a holiday. I know it's not a holiday before somebody has a fit and falls in it. I just keep calling it that because that's what I'm used to in terms of coming off of Christmas. Hope you guys have a blast making your own love season decor. Along with, I have some new earring designs and purse charms coming up soon for DIYs. God bless you guys.